We have arrived to day 3, stage 3. Each day has a different course. Each day has a different challenge. It's a long day of racing, preparing, racing, recovering, eating, and coming back. How do you feel?
Excited.
Excited. We are about 40 minutes from the start, and they're all setting up. We're waiting for the next shuttles to arrive. Papa dog, Papa dog, Papa dog!
Team Mala Vida.
Yes. Forever.
We didn't have enough, so that's why we're coming back.
2, 3, hands in the air, both hands in the air. Here we go. I love it. Okay, we got 40 seconds. 40 seconds to start. 40 seconds to start. Are we happy it's the last day? Oh yeah.
Last day, Papa.
Everybody's
Last
happy.
day.
Thank God that we changed it from 5 days to 3 days. Day 3, the last day. You won't need poles today, folks. Nice and cold mountain biking.
Papa dog, you did it. 3 days. How do you feel?
Tired. Molido.
You got 3 Stoked.
Stoke.
You got 3 division awards.
Yeah.
Good job, Papa.